The pants though.
I nearly pressed the button.
The amount of times we've nearly pressed that, John.
Wobbling. It's not time yet. Not
time. That's we'll be on the radio tomorrow morning sometime. Tune in to Heart Breakfast. And whenever John Thomson's in this area, he always listens to Heart Breakfast.
That's right.
Thank you, John. Let's talk a little bit about Cold Feet.
Okay.
When you first got on that show, did you have any idea how big it was going to be?
Absolutely not. No, I had no idea whatsoever. Back in '97, that was. 1997, some of you won't have been born, but yeah, '97 we started the show, and then we ran for 6 years. We ran for 6 years, and then we had a break for 13 years, and then last year we came back with a bang, and we got 8.4 million viewers on our first episode. Well, a busy day is 12 hours filming, so yeah, I can do a 60-hour week, really, but the beauty of Cold Feet is this. When I started Cold Feet, I lived in London, and I lived in a hotel when I filmed, but Cold Feet is set in Didsbury, in Manchester, and I live in Didsbury.
Wow, that's so lucky.
Some days they'll say, we'll send a car for you at 7 o'clock in the morning, and I say, no, I'll walk. I walk to work. I just walk to work, so it's great. I've always loved Didsbury, and I was a student there. I went to drama school in Didsbury, and now I'm back there every beginning of the year doing Cold Feet. So yeah, I feel very blessed. It's a great show. It's just like going back to school after the holidays and seeing all your mates.
I'm just a bit worried that we keep getting further back. We want to stay forward.
I'm terrified of pressing this by mistake.
No, don't.
45 minutes afterwards. If you love Cold Feet, and if you would love to get a picture or a signed autograph with John Thomson, he's going to go over to where Gap is. Okay, along there and to the left, South Parade for Gap, for a little autograph session. So when the lights have been switched on, you can go and meet John. Is that okay with you?
It's free as well, I don't charge. It's not like Comic-Con. It's not like...
It's a fiver for a selfie.
Meet the Incredible Hulk. It's free. I'm going to get a picture of me and I'll sign it.
Comic-Con, that is brilliant. And there's one other thing. We were talking about this on the radio today, and although Cold Feet, of course, the big TV show, when John was on the Fast Show, you had this little thing going on, and Ross, you mentioned it, the listeners were calling up with the jazz. Do people, is it boring? Do people still talk to you about that scene in Cold Feet? And if it's not too boring, can we kind of just hear a tiny bit? Because I remember the jazz is playing, the jazz club's on, and...
How do you describe the jazz night?
Great, or nice. The thing is, people stop me in the street and they go, great, and I go, ooh, nice, and they go, yes, yes, and the thing is, I've made the day. I'm not going to go, they're not going to say to me, great, and I'm going to go, jog on, mate.
Jog on, yeah.
Go on. You got me nice.
It's a catchphrase.
Remember, it's the public that make your show.
I love
if they stop watching, I don't get a job, so you've got to respect your public.
Okay, I really like that answer.
When the lights go on, maybe we can all just look at them and go, nice.
Yes, why not?
Great.
Where did that come from?
Where did it come from?
That is like so little and yet so silly.
It's not the shortest catchphrase in the world. The shortest catchphrase was Lenny Henry's was okay. But it was elongated, so it's okay.
I remember it.
Yeah, but in letters, he beats me.
Yeah.
But I think I've got the second shortest. Nice.
Ladies and gentlemen, are we ready for the countdown?
Are we ready?
Should we do it? So we're going to have hands over the buzzer.
Yeah.
John and Roger, you've got to come round too.
Are we ready?
John's going to press the button. So what we need you lot to do, get ready for some incredible festive lights here at Springfields and the official start of Christmas shopping season. As the lights are going to be on, we're going to do a countdown from 10. Are we ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can I have a big cheer from everybody? For the one and only John Thomson!
Thank you. Have a great Halloween, and then have a lovely bonfire night, and then have a fabulous Christmas.
Well said. Ho ho, trick or treat, ho! So you can go and meet John in the next 10 minutes or so over at the area just near Gap. Thank you very much, John.
Thank you very much.
Really good to see you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas!